Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Mohammed Bello Doka is back again with my daily dose. And today's topic is centered around how to access National Housing Fund loans from the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. Kindly subscribe to this video, to this channel, and like my videos. That is your little way of supporting us. And you will also be informed about our subsequent videos. As you are aware, National Housing Fund loan is a scheme aimed at mobilizing long-term funds from Nigerian workers, banks, insurance company, and the federal government of Nigeria to advance soft loans to its contributors. Yes, you heard me well. To its contributors. And what is this scheme all about? What are the requirements? That is the main subject of this video today. And like I said, subscribe to the channel to be updated. The scheme is targeted at all Nigerians in all sectors of the economy, particularly those within the low income range, low and medium levels, who cannot afford commercial housing loans to own houses. So federal government come up with this plan to provide soft loans, and the workers are to benefit from these soft loans by contributing 2.5% of their monthly salaries to the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. Who are the people eligible for these loans? To be eligible for National Housing Fund loans, a contributor must be over 18 years of age. Yes, you must be 18 years of age. You must be a worker either in the government or in the private sector, and you must have contributed to the fund for over 6 months. Then the applicant must have a regular flow of income to guarantee loan repayment. Like I do say about all other loans, this is a loan. This is not a grant. In subsequent videos, we will talk about grants and how you can obtain grants. But this is a loan, and as a loan, you have to pay it back so that other people will also be able to access such loans. So you must have a continuous flow of income so that you'll be assured that you can be able to pay those loans. Then, how do you apply to National Housing Fund loans? One can apply directly from the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria, except for institutional borrowers. But this deals mostly with individual borrowers. The video for the institutional borrowers will be done later on. An individual can apply through a duly licensed and accredited primary mortgage bank, PMB, primary mortgage bank, of their own choices. So you can choose your own primary mortgage bank, then you apply through that primary mortgage bank. And what are the requirements for these applications? The requirements are: 1, you have to open a savings account with the registered primary mortgage bank, and number 2, you have to contribute to the funds, that is to the National Housing Fund, the account domicile with the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. You have to contribute to the loans at least 6 months before the application. That is, you have to contribute 2.5% of your monthly salary to the Federal Mortgage Bank at least 6 months before you apply for the loan. Then 3, you must have a satisfactory evidence of regular flow of income to guarantee loan repayment. You must be able to convince the bank that you have work and you earn salary monthly, that you can be able to pay back this loan, all things being equal. Number 4, you have to submit photocopies of valid documents, of title documents of the land. Example, the certificate of occupancy or other documents. Then number 5, you have to have an approved survey site plans. Number 6, price bills of quantity where applicable. And then number 7, valuation report prepared by a firm of registered surveyors and valuers where applicable. Number 8, you need 3 years tax clearance certificate. Number 9, you need a letter of consent for mortgage to your choosing primary mortgage bank. Then number 10, you need a completed prescribed mortgage loan application form. The number 11, evidence of National Housing Fund's participation. Because you have already been a contributor to the fund for at least 6 months, then you must have an evidence, being your receipt of payment or your bank statement indicating deductions made and payment made to the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. Then, number 12, you have copy of pay slips for the previous 3 months. Number 13, equity contribution of personal stake of 30%, 20%, and 10%, depending on the loan amount applied. That is either 15 million, 10 million, or 5 million, respectively. So this loan, it ranges from 15, 10 to 5 million. The number 14, you have a letter, acceptance, and allocation letter in the case of government project, an acceptance and allocation letter. Then number 15, in case of registered self-employed applicant, a copy of articles of memorandum of association and a copy of certificate of incorporation as evidence of employment status must be submitted. Yes, you must submit an evidence of employment status to the bank to be sure that yes, you are self-employed, to be sure that the bank knows you have a regular flow of income that you can be able to repay this month as at when due. Like I said, this is a loan and this is not a grant. Then security for the loan. That is, what are the collaterals? The property, that is the residential accommodation for which the loan is sought for, shall serve as security for the loan. So you don't need any other security outside the fact that, okay, this is the land document and I want to build the property. That property you are building stand as security. So you don't need any outside security again. Serve as security for the loan. The property must have valid title documents. Valid title document, e.g. CFO, certificate of occupancy, deed of sublease, deed of assignment, or letter of allocation. Then, the property shall conform to existing planning laws approved by the appropriate authorities. The mortgage property must possess sufficient value to recover loan and be secured against hazard. So this is all you need to do. But the most important thing today is, if you intend or you are intending to apply for a mortgage bank, for a mortgage loan from the federal government of Nigeria today through Federal Mortgage Bank, the first thing to do is now identify your primary mortgage bank, a primary mortgage bank of your choice. In the subsequent video, I'm still making my own research before, and I want to, by next week, I will start interviewing some of these primary mortgage banks and to know their conditions, to know what are the requirements in opening their account and what other factors they consider before coming in to approve and then agree to come into your aid and support you that is to qualify you, not support you in any case, to qualify you because they are duly doing their job. So in the next, as you keep on, you subscribe to this video, because I will make a video detailing the list of all primary mortgage banks in the country, their months of operation, possibly their head office addresses and other things. Identify a primary mortgage bank you are satisfied with. Then go there, open an account with them. If you open an account with them, start contributing and get the necessary document. Then after 6 months of contribution, you can apply, and I assure you, you can have this loan without knowing anybody. And should the case you are requested to bribe or do any other thing that will facilitate that, kindly contact us and we will definitely expose such scheme. This scheme is targeted at low-income earners, hard-working Nigerians, and we must say no to corruption in all ramifications. Please kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates as we brief you on certain loans, grants, and other things you need to access to make life easier for both of us. Thank you very much. I remember humble self, Muhammad Bello Doka.